Hey, this is the Car Doctor coming to you with a quick tip for owners of Nissan products experiencing a code P1320 and a Misfire code as well. Watch this quick video and we're going to help keep you on the road. If you're experiencing a code P1320 on your 3.5 Nissan motor, it's likely a bad coil. If you do have a corresponding Misfire code for that given cylinder, that's likely the coil you need to go to. You're going to want to use OE coils in this case. If you use an aftermarket product, you'll probably end up with the same code down the road a bit. And be sure to replace all your spark plugs with the correct OE plug as well. Once again, this is the Car Doctor. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then subscribe to our channel and you'll get all the latest uploads from the Car Doctor. Thanks for watching and good luck with your repairs.